My name is Arel Gereli. I'm an orthopedic surgery professor at Acıbadem University. My expertise is hand and upper extremity surgeries. I've made fellowships for hand surgery in United States, for hand and elbow surgery in Germany, and shoulder surgery for Japan and Korea. I focused only hand, wrist, arm and shoulder problems last 20 years. I've done 4,000 plus hand surgeries, 1,000 plus congenital anomalies, 2,000 plus elbow surgeries, and 4,000 plus shoulder surgeries including arthroscopy and arthroplasty. I do all kind of operations like tendon transfers, wrist instabilities, elbow disorders, congenital problems, shoulder arthroscopy and arthroplasties in all age groups. I design surgeries for patient-specific needs. My aim is finish all problems in one single session and never go back to operation theater for same reason. When they back their countries, there will be no needs for additional consultations. I follow up my patients online.